I'm starting early, Cat. Oh yeah, I've already got. Because I gotta go get you guys off to wherever you gotta go, and I have to get the car to service as well. See, that's why. The kids are already asking why we're so early. Well, oh my. I'm doing the intro. This show is entertainment. It stands for education, entertainment, smashed into one. We're starting half an hour early because I gotta get some trades in. I gotta get these kids off to where they go, hey, change your clothes first. And I gotta do the show, and I gotta get the car off
Costco.
to service. So, here we go. Okay, you do it.
Welcome to Social Media World. I'm Caroline Lou, Africa and Lou, and this is A to A, and name answered right now.
Boom, just like that. Today we're talking about what?
Costco.
Ticker symbol is, what are those four letters?
Cost.
Cost, C-O-S-T. It's part of the S&P 500, and it's part of the index group, or the sector XLP, standing for Consumer Staples. If you are an investor, you are coming here to look at the investor relations page, as well as see what kind of new stuff they got going on, when their earnings report is, and also to hear from the CEO, CFO, specifically when we all get to ask them questions. But you came here for the charts. So let's take a look at this, Cat. What do you think? Costco, great big company, giant moat. So this is their price. They were as high as $6.12, then it dropped down to around $400, and now it's about $4.97. So what do you think? Up, down, keep, hold, buy, sell, what? Buy, hold, sell.
I think it's buy.
You want to buy it?
No. It just like the reds are down, so that means buy. So I think you see that floor. I think it bounced off of
The floor?
the floor.
I think so too.
And then it's gonna go up a
You
little bit more.
go up a little bit more. But look at these ones now. Look at this. The sellers have control, right? Red, red, red. And these are growing. And people are dumping the stock. So this could be just a little bounce before it goes back.
Oh, so I bet it's going down.
You think it's going down? I don't know. I would like to see a dark red right here, right? So that's what we think. But regardless, inside this big candle and wick, there are some opportunities. Look at this, from 505 all the way down to 475. So that's almost $50. Let's take a look at from a swing trading standpoint. Oh my goodness. There it is. So it is climb, 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 climb. It's at the top end of these Bollinger Bands. I changed my mind, Cat.
What?
I think it is gonna. Ooh, careful! It's gonna reverse.
Reverse?
Yeah.
What is a reverse?
So this is a shorting opportunity right there. Let's see if we can get this going for everybody else. Let's move that over. Can this get up there? I think that's probably good. So as you can see, it's at the top end of the Bollinger Band, which means it's probably going to be oversold pretty soon. It hit the top here. It could hit new tops as the momentum is still going up, but it started to die off a little bit here as well. So we got a little bit of more weakening here as well. Oh, look at that. Just perfect. And also, I want to show you this right here. This is also turned to dark green. So it's starting that trend of coming back down as well. So I think it could be starting its descent, just like how it hit the top here, a little retracement down. So I think it's on its way for a retracement. I think the top that you'll find, if at all today, is let's just call it 505 for the day, and then down to 472. I don't think it'll hit that today. Look at these candles, it's pretty much dancing around this candle today, but it could push lower as there's a little gap here. So I'd say your floor is probably 490 in this week. Man, I'd say in this week 487. Let's call it. For you swing traders out there, 505 is the top range, and then for the bottom range, I would say, I'm just gonna call it real conservative, 480. So that's your swing trade, not even down to 470, because this is a strong upward trend. This RSI has also got some strength well above the 50. and then we're still positive, but we're going to retrace a little bit. So that's what I think there. What else could move it in the news? Let's take a look here. We got the Costco. It's earnings season. We're hopping back in. They just had theirs in May. Next one is at the end of summer, September 22nd. They're expecting to put 4.1, which is pretty good. Look at that, right there next to my head. Right there. 4.1, we don't know how they do, but September is when they're going to do it. So let's talk about today, July 11th. 81 earnings, 31 stock splits, 52 economic events. Out of those economic events today, let's see which ones are going to move us here. I don't see a lot on the U.S. right here. Employment trends. That comes out at 2 p.m. Eastern time. That's 11 o'clock Pacific time. Besides that, it's pretty quiet on the North American front. So let's take a look at the news. Some people are saying that Costco's overpriced. A lot of people say yes, it's to the downside, just down 1%. That's pretty good considering things are down 5% today. Costco has another strong month of sales. You can think it's cheap gas. And also people are saying it's a tactical buy against costs. So I don't know if you like that. I think this thing just reset. I don't know what happened here. We've been talking, but I guess we're having some connection issues. So, oh no. Time's just reset. It's okay. Because we have this. We're going from the lows. We're going to the highs. And now we got the Fibonacci here. And we're going to look into intraday as Lolo's walking around here in the building. So as you can see, for the day, it hit 505 peak and then just started dropping. It hit a floor of 495. I would say that's a pretty strong rejection of that floor. If it does retest it, I would say if it breaks, 497, we could be getting down a little bit lower as it could break that. But right now it's going to the upside. It is trying to get to 500. That's where it's trying to go. That's a pretty big move.
Wow.
Good job, Costco. I've never seen it wick around so much. As you can see, these are the normal candle sizes that you see right above my head. And these are some big movements for Costco. I don't usually see that. Anyways, it is starting to rock up to the upside. I think it's going to hit this ceiling right here. Hopefully it's trying to get up here. I have to check the markets. I know that they are moving up and down today, so we could be very well in the range. I think it's pretty safe to say that it's in this range. 495 to the low side, 505 to the high side. That is a $10 spread that we got on Costco as it swings. And right now it's moving towards flat, which is amazing. Good job, Costco. Will it get back up to 499? I think at this current rate, yes, it could be going. So with that said, that is what we're going to do today. If you are playing intraday, I would say if it breaks through this, it's getting to VWAP. If it breaks through VWAP, it could be testing 501. Besides that, it's going to be really hard to get back up to 505 today unless the market participates. So with that said, we're rolling outro. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, thanks for this early edition. Sorry? I should erase it, right? We have not been true to doing 8 to 8 at night, right? We've been calling early. So maybe we will erase this and we'll rebrand it.
Maybe on Wednesday we'll put that back.
Oh, look at that, spilling the beans on some of the stuff we're doing. Anyways, we're rolling out here. We're calling it. We got stuff to do. We're almost out. Catalina might steal that microphone as she's asking for it. But thanks for joining in as well.
Hello.
Markets are ranging and bottoming.
Hi, I'm Catalina. I'm just in a mirror. How boring. You can hear my dad. You can't see me because I'm in a different room.
So, doesn't affect Costco.
Now I'm in his closet.
Up and down.
He's doing it. You can probably hear him. Okay.
So, we'll see what his lawyer says. Yeah. You might have to pay right, everybody. So that's it. We got 30 seconds.
Peace out.
We're gonna peace out of here. We're just taking a look.
What are you doing?
I gotta get back to work and I gotta get the car to service. So
From service?
everybody's rolling out of here soon, right?
Okay, yeah. I can tell that.
A little laggy, right? All right. We had a good time camping this past week. We're hoping you're getting out there as well.
Peace out.
We're peacing out, people. Peacing out.